Jeremy Collar is with me today. I want to bring him on. Jeremy, thank you for being with me.
Can we talk about waste for a moment?
Sure, absolutely. Talk
in
about
terms
waste
of investment risk.
Please.
I mean, excrement is,
yes.
You know, I don't think we fully know how toxic we are. You know, and let's just talk a little bit about how huge it is. So, you know, just one for Smithfield facility in Utah, just one facility, 500,000 pigs.
Oh my God.
Generates more fecal matter than all the inhabitants of Manhattan. You take one company, Tyson, just one company, Tyson, produces more excrement than the entire US population. Just one company, Tyson. Now, you know, we're seeing that go into our water supply. We're seeing that go into our land. You know, it's frightening, actually.
I want to underscore what you're saying and help people understand this. That's why in the beginning of this interview, we were talking about the scale. I'm not quite sure people understand. They see a commercial, they see one cow. That's not what it's like. It's 10 times more animals on the planet than humans. All those animals, of course, go to the bathroom. And as I understand it, Jeremy, you'll correct me if I'm wrong, that waste is not treated. So it's not like they're going to the bathroom in a toilet and it's funneled out. And I'm not sure the regulatory process such that this is even allowed, but my understanding, Jeremy, is that that waste just flows right into land and water.
So if you Google manure lagoon, you know, when I was growing up, I always thought of, you know, a cow pat, you know?
Yes, yeah. But cow patty, yeah.
A cow pat, but now because cows are given hormone, because cows eat grass. I know that's amazing that we should even say it, but cows eat grass naturally, and we're giving them grain, which they can't digest properly. We're giving them hormone treatments so they can digest it. I mean, that's why they will have so much methane, etc. And but that's coming out of them is not normal. It's diarrhea all the time.
Oh my God. My God.
It's not normal. You know, and you can imagine if you're given the wrong foods all the time and you need hormone treatment to digest it. Yeah, why would you eat it?
Why would you eat it? And I think of, you know, again, just hearing you say it, there's obviously the animal welfare issues that we're both, you know, concerned about, but what a bad business equation. Like, exactly. What a ridiculous business equation to feed them something that they can't eat. They usually just get their protein from grass, like, you know, many, because protein is in vegetables. But instead, we're feeding them grains. This grains makes them sick. So then we give them drugs, and then we take in the drugs. And then their conversion of the calories in the grains is a poor conversion. You know, for cows, we say it's 25 to 35. Let's just go with 25 calories in to get 1 calorie out. You're an investor. Is that what you want? You want to give someone $2.50 to get back a dime? You won't be an investor very long. What a bad business equation.